I didn't do anything wrong. Nothing at all.
What's happening in here? I heard shouting.
Tom was upsetting Lily again.
Nobody in this house ever cares about me.
Ben! Tom's gone.
His bag is missing. Gone? When did he leave?
I never meant to make him feel that way.
I've been sitting here for so long now. Did Tom leave because of me?
Stay inside. Lock the door, Lily.
I don't want to stay here. It's scary.
Did you see Tom? He's gone.
The playground. I saw him go.
Tom! Can you hear me? Please shout back.
Mom, my throat's been hurting since yesterday.
You do feel warm. I'll get the thermometer.
Morning. I already got dressed by myself today.
Tom, your toast is there. Eat up quickly, love.
Why does Lily get pancakes?
Not me. She's sick. You're stronger, Tom.
Mom, look! I drew us last night.
Later, Tom. Not now.
She broke my car. The wheel's off.
She's sick. Oh, please don't shout.
First slice? Can I have it, Mom?
Lily eats first today.
I didn't do anything wrong. Nothing at all.
What's happening in here? I heard shouting.
Tom was upsetting Lily again.
Nobody in this house ever cares about me.
How are you feeling now, Lily?
A little better. Head still hurts.
Tom's gone quiet. He'll be fine by dinner.
I'll go somewhere they can't ignore me. Hey, do you want to play with us? Yeah. Okay. I'll play. I've scored! Did you all see that goal? I have to go. Mum's calling me. Okay, I'll stay a bit. I wanted to go home, but nobody wants me. I want to go home. I really do.
Where has Tom got to? He didn't come down.
Tom? Are you hiding somewhere in here?
Tom! I know you're upset. Please come down. Oh, Tom, I didn't know. I didn't see. Ben! Tom's gone.
His bag is missing. Gone? When did he leave?
I never meant to make him feel that way.
He drew himself alone.
Far from us. I caused this, Ben. I ignored his drawing. I blamed him wrongly.
Did Tom leave because of me?
Stay inside. Lock the door, Lily.
I've been sitting here for so long now. I should have stayed. I made a really big mistake. I don't want to stay here. It's scary.
Tom! If you can hear me, shout now!
Did you see Tom? He's gone.
The playground. I saw him go.
Ben! He went to the playground. Come now.
He went to the playground. I'm turning now.
Please be safe, Tom. I'm so sorry too. I think home is this way. Maybe it's not.
The gate's open. Someone's been here recently.
Is Tom here?
He was. He's gone now, Amy. You go left. I'll drive right.
I'll keep calling. He'll hear me.
I can hear someone. Are they calling me?
Tom! Can you hear me? Please shout back.
Mom! Mom! I'm over here! I can't find home!
I hear you, Tom! I'm coming to you!
I thought you stopped loving me.
I was wrong. I'm so sorry.
I felt invisible every day.
Not just today. I see you. I really do.
There he is. Thank goodness he's safe. We're going home now, Tom. All of us.
Okay, Dad.
Take the blanket, Tom. You're shivering.
Thanks, Dad. I'm okay now. Tom! I've been so worried about you all night. I didn't want to hurt you, Tom. I know. It wasn't your fault.
I have to say something important to all of you. I will never make you feel invisible again.
I missed everyone. Even Lily a bit. Even me? That's surprising, Tom.
I got it wrong too, Tom. That's the truth.
Next time I'll tell you before I run away. I'm sorry I stepped on your toy car, Tom. I kept the wheel. We can fix it. Tomorrow. Together, okay?
4 mugs, all equal tonight.
4! You remembered me this time.
This goes on the fridge, right in the middle. You're safe. You're so loved. Sleep well.
I believe you now, Mum.
Equal plates today, both the same.
Pancakes for me, too! Best pancakes ever. These are amazing, Lily. You say that every time.
Look at him. He loves those pancakes.
He deserved them yesterday.
Can you help me fix this wheel? I've watched Dad. I'll try. It worked! You really fixed it, Lily. I told you we could. She actually put it right in the middle.
This board is yours, Tom. Just yours.
Just for me? Really, Dad? I'm gonna fill this whole board up soon.
He's already put his first drawing up there.
He drew himself with us this time.
He knows he belongs now.
Let's make them both a card today. You draw, I'll write inside. I've drawn all 4 of us holding hands. We made this for you, together.
This is our best card ever. I'm gonna put this right next to the drawing.
Park? All 4 of us, together.
I'll race Lily. She'll lose. I won! I've been waiting to beat you all morning. You definitely started before I said go. I started after you, Tom.
Last night feels so far away.
It taught us what we needed.
Higher, Dad! Push me really high!
Hold on tight. I've got you.
How are you feeling today, Lily?
Much better.
And happy too.
Jack! I was here last night playing. You scored. The best goal.
He made a friend last night here.
He always finds something good.
Ah! I've scored again! I can't believe I did that! We're okay now.
1 each. All the same today.
Mine looks bigger than Lily's, Dad.
Same time tomorrow? All 4 together?
With ice cream too, please? Mom, I'm glad you found me last night. I'm gonna keep drawing and keep making things. Can I draw with you, Tom? Yes, use the blue crayons.
Those two are going to be okay. They are.
I see you, Tom. I see you now.
Same for both of us again today?
Always equal. From now on.
I'm glad you came home, Tom. I'm glad I came home too. I've done 3 drawings today already. 1, but mine is really good.
Tom, I saw your 3 drawings. They were brilliant.
Can I draw with you? I used to love drawing.
Mom, that's actually really good.
I studied art a long time ago.
4 glasses. 1 each. All equal.
Is mine really the same as Lily's? I'm gonna draw every single day from now on.
Bedtime, Tom. Big day tomorrow.
What are we doing tomorrow, Dad?
We're all going somewhere together. All 4 of us.
Both asleep, both safe. That's all I needed.
We should have noticed much sooner.
We know now. That matters most.
I think even quiet people need to be heard.